Hello everybody, welcome to the Tools Guy. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon. Whether it's hunting elusive game in the rugged wilderness or competing in long-range marksmanship competitions, the Remington 700 consistently delivers unparalleled performance. However, unlocking the full potential of this legendary rifle demands a scope that complements its capabilities with precision optics and robust construction. In this guide, we explore the best scopes tailored to elevate your Remington 700 experience, ensuring unparalleled accuracy and confidence in every shot. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on random numbering. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started. On number 5, Vortex. The Vortex Diamondback 4-12x40 scope, reviewed by Kerry Adams, offers impressive features at a mid-range price point of $599. Despite not being the cheapest option, Adams emphasizes the importance of investing in quality optics, considering their crucial role in accuracy and shot placement. The scope is suitable for medium to long-range shooting, potentially as an upgrade for hunting rifles seeking precision. Key features include exposed target turrets with clear markings, MOA reticle and knobs for easy zeroing, and a convenient zero reset function. On number 4, Leapers. The Leapers UTG 3-12x44AO mil-dot scope has received positive reviews from customers, with an overall rating of 4.5 stars out of 5. One satisfied customer praised the scope's value for money and highlighted the improved features of the etched reticle version compared to the wire reticle. They appreciated the finer reticle design, with fewer dots and more hashes, making it easier to use. Additionally, they found the illuminated etched reticle to be cleaner and better illuminated than the wire reticle version. However, they suggested improvements such as reducing the brightness levels of the illumination, offering more color options, and ensuring tighter precision in the side parallax knob. On number 3, Vortex Optics. The Vortex Optics Diamondback Tactical First Focal Plane Rifle Scope is a remarkable fusion of precision and value, offering an impressive range of features and performance that exceed expectations. Equipped with extra-low dispersion glass and fully multi-coated lenses, this rifle scope delivers a crisp and bright sight picture, ensuring unparalleled clarity even in challenging lighting conditions. The first focal plane, glass-etched reticle maintains accurate subtensions throughout its 4x zoom range, providing consistent and precise aiming points at any magnification level. On number 2, Burus. The Burus Veracity PH Hunting Rifle Scope 4-20x50mm offers shooters a digital advantage by integrating their rifle's ballistics information into a simplified digital optics app. This app, Burus Connect, facilitates the creation of a rifle profile quickly and easily. Users can connect to the scope via Bluetooth, zero their elevation turret, set the internal bubble level, and input their ballistic data. The heads-up display, HUD, provides essential information such as yardage, wind holdover, and battery level, keeping shooters focused on the target. On number 1, Leupold Mark. The Leupold Mark 5 HD 5-25x56 rifle scope is highly regarded in the precision shooting community, and after thorough testing, the reviewer, Dave Chesson, shares his insights. Leupold, known for its top-notch optics, designed this scope with a magnification range of 5-25x and a large 56mm objective lens. It features an illuminated Tremor 3 reticle on the first focal plane, FFP, providing improved visibility in low-light conditions and precise holdover points for windage and bullet drop compensation. The scope's Twilight Max HD lens system enhances image quality and extends shooting time during dawn and dusk. In conclusion, the Remington 700 rifle offers a versatile platform with a wide range of applications, making it a popular choice among hunters, long-range shooters, and tactical enthusiasts alike. When selecting the best scope for your Remington 700, it's essential to consider factors such as intended use, shooting distance, magnification requirements, and budget. For hunting purposes, a low to medium magnification scope with a wide field of view and durable construction is often preferred, allowing for quick target acquisition and reliable performance in various hunting environments. So guys, this was the video about the best scope for Remington 700. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.